which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Options: A. Yamuna, B. Godavari, C. Kosi, D. Damodar. The correct answer is C. Kosi. The Kosi River is called the Sorrow of Bihar because of its frequent and devastating floods that affect the state. The next question is, which river is the longest in South India? Options: A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is B. Godavari. The Godavari River, spanning about 1,465 kilometers, is the longest river in South India, earning it the nickname Dakshin Ganga. The next question is, which river is considered sacred by Hindus and is a part of the Char Dham Yatra? Options: A. Yamuna, B. Saraswati, C. Ganga, D. Narmada. The correct answer is C. Ganga. The Ganga River is a central part of the Char Dham Yatra, a pilgrimage that includes 4 sacred sites in Hinduism. The next question is, which river is the second longest in the world? Options: A. Amazon, B. Nile, C. Yangtze, D. Mississippi. The correct answer is A. Amazon. The Amazon River is the second longest in the world, stretching approximately 6,400 kilometers, and it has the largest drainage basin. The next question is, which river flows through the Grand Canyon in the USA? Options: A. Colorado, B. Mississippi, C. Missouri, D. Rio Grande. The correct answer is A. Colorado. The Colorado River is responsible for carving out the Grand Canyon over millions of years, making it one of the most famous rivers in the world. The next question is, which river forms a natural border between the United States and Mexico? Options: A. Colorado, B. Mississippi, C. Rio Grande, D. Missouri. The correct answer is C. Rio Grande. The Rio Grande River serves as a natural border between the United States and Mexico, extending for over 3,000 kilometers. The next question is, which river is the most polluted in the world? Options: A. Yangtze, B. Ganges, C. Nile, D. Mississippi. The correct answer is B. Ganges. The Ganges River, despite its religious significance, is highly polluted due to industrial waste, sewage, and religious offerings. The next question is, which river is known as the father of African rivers? Options: A. Nile, B. Congo, C. Niger, D. Zambezi. The correct answer is A. Nile. The Nile River is often referred to as the father of African rivers because of its importance in the history and development of Egypt and Sudan. The next question is, which river is the lifeline of Pakistan? Options: A. Indus, B. Ganges, C. Brahmaputra, D. Satluj. The correct answer is A. Indus. The Indus River is crucial for Pakistan's agriculture and water supply, making it the country's lifeline. The next question is, which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau in Madhya Pradesh? Options: A. Narmada, B. Tapti, C. Godavari, D. Yamuna. The correct answer is A. Narmada. The Narmada River originates from the Amarkantak Plateau and flows westwards, draining into the Arabian Sea. The next question is, which river flows into the Bay of Bengal and is the lifeline of Odisha? Options: A. Krishna, B. Mahanadi, C. Kaveri, D. Godavari. The correct answer is B. Mahanadi. The Mahanadi River is the major river of Odisha, supporting agriculture and providing water to millions. The next question is, which river is known as the Holy River of South India? Options: A. Kaveri, B. Krishna, C. Godavari, D. Tungabhadra. The correct answer is A. Kaveri. The Kaveri River is revered in South India, often referred to as the Ganga of the South, for its sacredness. The next question is, which river is the primary source of water for the City of London? Options: A. Thames, B. Seine, C. Rhine, D. Danube. The correct answer is A. Thames. The Thames River is the major waterway in London and provides drinking water to a large portion of the city's population. The next question is, which river has the world's largest drainage basin? Options: A. Nile, B. Amazon, C. Congo, D. Yangtze. The correct answer is B. Amazon. The Amazon River has the largest drainage basin in the world, covering approximately 7 million square kilometers. The next question is, which river is the longest in Europe? Options: A. Danube, B. Volga, C. Rhine, D. Dnieper. The correct answer is B. Volga. The Volga River, at over 3,500 kilometers long, is the longest river in Europe, flowing entirely through Russia. The next question is, which river flows through the state of Goa? Options: A. Mandovi, B. Narmada, C. Krishna, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is A. Mandovi. The Mandovi River is one of the major rivers in Goa, known for its scenic beauty and importance to the local economy. The next question is, which river is considered the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh? Options: A. Chambal, B. Tapti, C. Narmada, D. Mahi. The correct answer is C. Narmada. The Narmada River is central to the agriculture and water supply of Madhya Pradesh, making it the state's lifeline. The next question is, which river is the longest in Africa? Options: A. Congo, B. Nile, C. Niger, D. Zambezi. The correct answer is B. Nile. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa and the world, flowing through multiple countries including Egypt and Sudan. The next question is, which river flows through the capital city of Australia, Canberra? Options: A. Murray, B. Darling, C. Melonglo, D. Murrumbidgee. The correct answer is C. Melonglo. The Melonglo River flows through Canberra, the capital of Australia, and is part of the Murray-Darling Basin. The next question is, which river is more significant for trade, the Mississippi or the Amazon? Options: A. Mississippi, B. Amazon. The correct answer is A. Mississippi. The Mississippi River is more significant for trade due to its extensive navigable waters, which support a vast network of transportation in the United States. The next question is, which river is associated with the Pushkar Fair in Rajasthan? Options: A. Chambal, B. Luni, C. Ghaggar, D. Saraswati. The correct answer is B. Luni. The Pushkar Fair, one of India's largest cattle fairs, takes place on the banks of the Luni River in Rajasthan. The next question is, which river is famously known for having the site of the ancient Egyptian civilization? Options: A. Nile, B. Tigris, C. Euphrates, D. Indus. The correct answer is A. Nile. The Nile River is central to the history of ancient Egypt, where it provided water, transportation, and fertile soil for the civilization's growth. The next question is, which river was the primary source of water for the ancient city of Rome? Options: A. Tiber, B. Arno, C. Po, D. Seine. The correct answer is A. Tiber. The Tiber River provided water and transportation for ancient Rome and was central to the city's founding and development. The next question is, which river is the largest west-flowing river in India? Options: A. Tapti, B. Narmada, C. Sabarmati, D. Luni. The correct answer is B. Narmada. The Narmada River is the largest west-flowing river in India, draining into the Arabian Sea, and it runs through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The next question is, which river forms the largest delta in the world? Options: A. Ganga Brahmaputra, B. Krishna Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is A. Ganga Brahmaputra. The Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, also known as the Sundarbans Delta, is the largest delta in the world, formed by the confluence of the Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers. The next question is, which Indian river is also known as the Swarna Nadi or Golden River? Options: A. Subarnarekha, B. Yamuna, C. Godavari, D. Krishna. The correct answer is A. Subarnarekha. The Subarnarekha River is called the Swarna Nadi or Golden River due to the traces of gold found in its sands, especially near its origin in Jharkhand. The next question is, which two rivers meet at the confluence in Khartoum, Sudan? Options: A. Blue Nile and White Nile, B. Tigris and Euphrates, C. Niger and Benue, D. Congo and Obangi. The correct answer is A. Blue Nile and White Nile. The Blue Nile and White Nile merge at Khartoum, the capital of Sudan, to form the main Nile River, which flows northward through Egypt. The next question is, which river confluence in India is known as the Triveni Sangam? Options: A. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, B. Brahmaputra, Teesta, Dhala, C. Krishna, Bhima, Tungabhadra, D. Godavari, Indravati, Sabari. The correct answer is A. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. The Triveni Sangam, in Prayagraj, India, is the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati rivers, and it is a significant pilgrimage site for Hindus. The next question is, which river is associated with the Sardar Sarovar Dam? Options: A. Narmada, B. Tapti, C. Godavari, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is A. Narmada. The Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on the Narmada River, and it is one of the largest dams in India, providing water and electricity to several states. The next question is, which river is the Bahakar Nangal Dam built on? Options: A. Satluj, B. Beas, C. Ravi, D. Chenab. The correct answer is A. Satluj. The Bahakar Nangal Dam is constructed on the Satluj River, and it is one of India's earliest and largest multipurpose river valley projects. The next question is, which river is the Tehri Dam built on? Options: A. Bhagirathi, B. Alaknanda, C. Mandakini, D. Yamuna. The correct answer is A. Bhagirathi. The Tehri Dam is located on the Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand, and it is one of the highest dams in India, providing hydroelectric power and irrigation. The next question is, which river is home to the world's largest waterfall, Angel Falls? Options: A. Orinoco, B. Nile, C. Congo, D. Parana. The correct answer is A. Orinoco. Angel Falls, the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall, is located on the Carav River, a tributary of the Orinoco River in Venezuela. The next question is, which river is known as Dakshina Ganga or Ganga of the South? Options: A. Krishna, B. Godavari, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is B. Godavari. The Godavari River is often referred to as Dakshina Ganga due to its significance in South India, similar to the reverence held for the Ganga in North India. The next question is, which Indian city is situated on the banks of the Sabarmati River? Options: A. Ahmedabad, B. Jaipur, C. Surat, D. Bhopal. The correct answer is A. Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, the largest city in Gujarat, is located on the banks of the Sabarmati River, which holds significant historical and cultural importance for the city. The next question is, which Indian capital city is located on the banks of the Musi River? Options: A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Chennai, D. Kolkata. The correct answer is A. Hyderabad. Hyderabad, the capital of Telangana, is situated on the banks of the Musi River. The city is known for its historic landmarks, including the Charminar. The next question is, which river flows through the capital city of Patna? Options: A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Mahanadi, D. Brahmaputra. The correct answer is A. Ganga. The Ganga River flows through Patna, the capital of Bihar. The river is central to the city's culture and economy. The next question is, which river runs through the city of London? Options: A. Thames, B. Seine, C. Danube, D. Rhine. The correct answer is A. Thames. The Thames River flows through London, the capital of the United Kingdom, and has been a key factor in the city's history and development. The next question is, which river is associated with the city of Paris? Options: A. Rhine, B. Seine, C. Loire, D. Rhone. The correct answer is B. Seine. The Seine River flows through Paris, the capital of France, and is famous for its scenic views and historic bridges. The next question is, which river flows through the city of Cairo? Options: A. Tigris, B. Euphrates, C. Nile, D. Jordan. The correct answer is C. Nile. The Nile River, the longest river in the world, flows through Cairo, the capital of Egypt, and has been the lifeblood of the region for millennia. Where does the river Ganga originate? Options: A. Gangotri Glacier, B. Yamunotri Glacier, C. Amarnath Glacier, D. Siachen Glacier. The correct answer is A. Gangotri Glacier. The Ganga River originates from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas, at a place known as Gomukh, which is considered sacred in Hinduism. The next question is, which river originates from the Trimbak Plateau in Maharashtra? Options: A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Tapti, D. Narmada. The correct answer is A. Godavari. The Godavari River, often called Dakshina Ganga, originates from the Trimbak Plateau in Maharashtra, and it is the second longest river in India. The next question is, which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Options: A. Narmada, B. Tapi, C. Chambal, D. Kaveri. The correct answer is A. Narmada. The Narmada River originates from the Amarkantak Plateau in Madhya Pradesh and flows westward into the Arabian Sea. The next question is, which river forms the natural boundary between the United States and Mexico? Options: A. Colorado, B. Rio Grande, C. Mississippi, D. Columbia. The correct answer is B. Rio Grande. The Rio Grande River serves as the natural border between the United States and Mexico, stretching from Colorado to the Gulf of Mexico. The next question is, which river is known as the Father of Waters in the United States? Options: A. Missouri, B. Mississippi, C. Ohio, D. Colorado. The correct answer is B. Mississippi. The Mississippi River is often referred to as the Father of Waters due to its size, significance, and role in American history.